Welcome to Get Solutions. This is Lokesh. So in this session we have to discuss the next problem under Hungarian method, that is 6th and 7th problem. So work out yourself. I will explain both the problems. Before going to the problem, if you still not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, so please get subscribed today only, so that you will get my latest videos, and click on bell icon so that you will get notification. See, this is the 6th problem. The secretary of a school is taking on a city's 4 school bus routes, and 4 companies have made the bids as detailed in the following table. So in this case, that is in this problem, you have to allocate the different buses for the different routes. So based on the company tenders. Okay, so ultimately which company makes the tender for least cost, then we have to select that company to make a tender. That is, we have to allocate the least cost based, that is bus routes to various routes, that is buses to the various routes. Okay, so the information will be given in the matrix is nothing but costs. Okay, ultimately the objective is to minimize us the cost. See, next is, suppose each bidder can assign only one route. Use the assignment model to minimize school cost of running 4 buses. Oh, ultimately the objective is to minimize the bus cost, that is bus fare. Okay, so hence this problem will be confirmed as minimized problem, so that no need to convert again. So do the problem, you will get 15,000 is your minimum cost. If you have any queries, so please comment on this video, so that I will give you a solution for your query. Okay, see, in this problem the so many cells are prohibited. Okay, so don't worry, you do step by step. I was explained already how to consider this prohibited cell in previous problem, that is in 5th problem. So likewise you have to do the problem, you will get 15,000 your minimum cost for this illustration 6. So take down the seventh illustration. See, a national car rental service has a surplus of one car in each cities, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the 6 cities where the one car is surplus, okay, and a deficit of one car in each of the cities 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So these are the cities, that is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 are the cities where one car is a deficit, okay. So in this problem you have to allocate the number of cars, that is surplus cars, to deficit cities, okay. See, the distance in miles between the cities with a surplus and the cities with a deficit are displayed in the table below. So in this table they have given the different miles which is covered by the different cars in the surplus cities and deficit cities, okay. So we should, that is how should the cars be dispatched so as to minimize the total mileage traveled. So we have to allocate the surplus car to the deficit cities, so that we have to find out the total minimum mileage traveled distance, okay. Hence, so this problem, that is the information will be given in this matrix, is related to mileage. So how the cars will be allocated to different deficit cities so that the total mileage will be going to reduced. So ultimately when the mileage will be reduced, ultimately the cost is also going to reduce, so that the given problem is minimized problem. Hence you have to do the problem step by step based on the Hungarian method, so that you will get the solution for this illustration 7, that is 190. If you have any queries, so please comment on this video, so that you will get a solution for your queries. So ultimately for this illustration 7 you will get 190 mileage, that is minimum optimal mileage distance or optimal travel distance is 190, okay. So thanks for watching. So do the solution.